Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'm going to be talking about how I found out about forex trading as a 15-year-old still in high school in Nigeria. And the story is very long, but I'm going to chip it down so it will be short for you guys. So right, let's get straight to it. So I was 15 and I was really looking for what to do, and I started YouTube before another channel where I was just posting kids cartoons, and the channel was actually doing well, but I kind of just give up. I was like, bro, I need something different. I need something more. Yeah, I like YouTube, is actually fun, but I needed to do something else. So I now came across trading, and when I came across trading, I was like, bro, this is it. Like, I knew like this is for me. So I started trading. Like, the first year was the worst year almost for everybody. So the first year was like, there are some people that will get funded like in their first year, but me personally, the first year was all about trying things, failing, keep trying, failing, literally trial and error. So how I came across trading was, I was online, and there's this friend my brother had, and he already knew about trading, so he told my brother about trading. My brother told me that night I was online. I was like, let's see what this stuff is about. I was scrolling through YouTube, then I saw two channels, Adam Cool. You can look him up, Adam Cool, and he was actually the first ever trading educational video I watched. Then the first ever trading lifestyle video I watched was Mamba Effects. We all know Mamba. The Lambos, the 5 million, the house, bro, everything. I was like, this guy is 21. He was 21 at that time. If I'm not wrong, 20. I was like, Jesus. See this guy. And in my head I was 15. I was like, bro, this might be you by 2021. If you should start now, you get me. So I was like, I have to start trading. I started watching Adam Cool's videos. His videos were actually very educational, like literally the basics, just like what you get on Baby Peeps. I got from Adam Cool video. So I actually went on to read Baby Peeps later, but first I started watching videos, even the motivational content, because it actually helped me very well. And now after learning for a little while, I think I took some like 3-6 months learning, and I now decided, let's go live. You understand that feeling, that rush, you want to go live, see how I feel. So I created an account with XNet, verified it with my mom's documents. Then I funded, I think I funded around $3, very little. That same night, like that night, late at night, I blew the money, and I blew the money back to the start. I kept doing that, blowing the money, kept doing that, blowing the money. I literally was just losing and losing and losing. But this video is not really about like the journey of how I transition to actually getting knowledge, experience, and making money trading. This journey is about, this video is about how I actually came to know about trading, and it was from these two people, Adam Cool and Mamba Effects. These two traders, like, they were really the people that actually taught me all the things I knew at the beginning. Mamba Effects always gave me the rush, the motivation, the need to like, I need to know trading, you understand? While Adam Cool was education. That's why I said I didn't really use Baby Peeps at the beginning. It was later on I found out about Baby Peeps. So since then it's just been crazy, roller coaster. I made a previous video on the full journey. If you want to actually like see how I transition from profitable to profitable, you can go ahead and watch that video. I said almost everything, just trying to keep it not too long. So if you guys love this video, if you enjoyed it, you know, seeing as a 15-year-old that was still in high school, mind you, found about trading, I actually got so motivated to trade. Do well, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos. I actually do give out educational content. Check my channel, so there. Drop a comment if there's anything you want to know about, and see you guys in the next one. Love.